You can sit down and open it.
Can I help her open it?
If she needs help, let's let her go first.
Yeah, go ahead. No, it's her birthday present. When you have a birthday, you get to open your gifts.
Wow! There's something purple.
Something purple.
Oh, something blue.
Okay. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you.
Oh, there's a book. In my book. No!
All right, come on, let's see it.
In my book.
Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Aunt Grandma?
Thank you, Aunt Grandma. She's sent me a card.
You want to open that too?
Whoa! Whoa! It's something perfect for me.
Something perfect for you?
Yes.
Look.
Yeah. Yes.
What does it say?
It says, "Hi, great-granddaughter."
Can you open it? What does it have on the front of it? A little girl? Can you read it, Clint?
Nope. I can't read.
Okay, Gabrielle's a little stuffy this morning.
What?
Open the book. Let's hear it. Or let's see what it's about.
It has a noise maker on the bottom.
A noise maker.
No. Look. Sound.
Now I lay me down to sleep. A bedtime prayer. A gift for Gabrielle for her birthday. Read to you with the Here's a little bedtime prayer. You and I will always share. So whether we're near or far apart, you'll know you're right here in my heart. And you showed me always be. So very loved by God and me.
Wow.
Now another day is done. Thank you, Lord. I had such fun.
You like that?
Some things I never knew and shared good times.